right, good morning, everyone. We've got about 5 minutes to talk about data. Should be plenty of time. I wish I had a little more. My name is Robert J. Moore. I'm the CEO and co-founder of RJMetrics, and we're a venture-backed startup that's actually based right here in Center City, Philadelphia. We're actually about a few blocks away down the road, and today we're helping hundreds of enterprises use their own data to make smarter, faster, and more data-driven business decisions. This is the RJMetrics Dashboard. It's a powerful web-based system for exploring, reporting on, and sharing your data. RJMetrics allows you to combine and explore data from various sources from the functional areas of your business, all under one roof, and from there, monitor KPIs based on that data, dig deeper to answer data-driven questions, and do it all in real time. Now today, most of our clients are online transactional businesses, so they're in industries like retail and software as a service. Our platform can also be used in any industry where event-based data accumulates. So that includes things like education, things like manufacturing, things like nonprofits. But most importantly, every single report that's inside of the RJMetrics dashboard can be evaluated and edited on an on-the-fly ad hoc basis, which means every single report you're looking at, you can click edit, you can drill down, you can pivot across new dimensions, and you can answer new questions that come out of your analysis right on the fly. So how does this stuff work? It's a pretty simple process, really. Ultimately, our system starts by extracting data from customers' back-end databases, from third-party APIs, from file uploads, any available data source. And then that data is stored in a cloud-based data warehouse where it's optimized for analysis. Key metrics are calculated and cached, and changes to data are automatically made on the fly as that data changes in your own back-end. Then the data warehouse powers an interactive dashboard. These dashboards contain a number of prefabricated industry best practice reports. So right out of the box, you've got a sense of what are the leaders in my industry looking at, and how can I make that applicable to my business. Examples of these things include cohort analysis, customer lifetime value, repeat event probabilities, looking at things like marketing and merchandising performance, all of which are major pieces of a data-driven business's decision engine. Because of our cloud-based delivery model, we're able to do this all faster and less expensively than previous generations of business intelligence software. A tool like this a decade ago might have cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars to implement, and it might have taken months, if not years, to do. Today, our average customer is implemented in less than 7 days, and our starting price is $500 a month. So who's using RJMetrics? Here are just a few online businesses. Fab.com, which actually just this morning announced another $150 million venture round, putting their valuation at over $1 billion. They use RJMetrics to run their business, and that's not hyperbole. They are using RJMetrics in almost every functional aspect of their operations, from marketing to merchandising to strategic initiatives like M&A. ModCloth is another great example. They are an online retailing company. They were #1 on the Inc. 500 a few years back. ModCloth employees get touched by RJMetrics on a daily basis. It's used to track performance against goals, to look at the company's sales funnel, and to report to just about every department within the company. SaaS businesses and online communities use us too. Shutterstock, which is a publicly traded company and one of the more successful IPO stories from last year, uses us to look at churn and to evaluate corp dev projects and internal analyses that kind of decide whether it's a thumbs up or thumbs down on experimental projects they're working on. And Quirky, which has a large community aspect to its business, uses us to analyze community engagement and understand how that engagement translates back into sales of their products. These are just some of the fastest growing businesses that we work with, but in reality, we work with businesses that are 2 people in a garage trying to make something go, along with a number of companies all the way up to the Fortune 500. So if you want to learn more about RJMetrics, you can visit rjmetrics.com. Along with our low price, we've also got a 30-day free trial, so you can get up and running and kind of have a proof of concept really easily. My contact information is there, along with our Twitter info, and I really hope to catch up with a number of you later on today or via email. So thank you so much.